Hello, do you know that you can hide and lock up any of your WhatsApp chats? Yeah, you can definitely do this on your normal WhatsApp, okay? For those of us that are using normal WhatsApp and business WhatsApp or any other type of WhatsApp, you can't do this if not on normal WhatsApp, okay? Alright, this update has been on WhatsApp for a very long time now, but I've decided to keep calm on the update. But today, guess what? I'm going to show you guys how to do this, okay? This is not that type of lock that you use on GB WhatsApp or no. This one is very much different, okay? So for you to do this, remember to subscribe to this channel, and today you are here with EgoTech. All right, remember to subscribe to this channel and on your notification bell as well. All right, so for you to be able to lock your WhatsApp chats and hide it from anyone else or closing into your chat, what you have to do is go and click on any chat, the more info. All right, click on this place. Yeah, here that you can access the full information of the person that you're chatting with. Go ahead and click there, and then you will be able to see one stuff. Yeah, this is an update though. There is an update, so go ahead and click on chat log. Okay, as you can see it here, this chat log, this one is deactivated now. All right, but let me show you guys how it works. Click on it, then you confirm your phone fingerprint. Okay, yeah, confirm your fingerprint and then go back. All right, as you can see, the chat is here, but it's no longer where other chats are. Okay, and for you to see it, as you can see here, I scroll down, but you can't even find it unless you scroll down again. Okay, as you can see, if you scroll down, this is the first chat that I have. Okay, scroll down the second time, scroll down twice for you to be able to see these locked chats. Okay, scroll down again. As you can see, the option there has appeared. Okay, this is where you can find your locked chats. All right, then click on that locked chat. You have to input your password on your fingerprint, then input your fingerprint or your password so that you can be able to access all the chat that you've locked. As you can see it, here's the one that I've locked, and here's the one that I locked just now. Okay, here's the chat. All right, so go ahead and subscribe to this channel, and remember, in my previous video I showed you guys how you can make your WhatsApp look like this, have side by side view. Okay, if you haven't watched the video, go ahead and check out the video and make your WhatsApp look like this, make it look professional. Okay, all right, see you guys in my next video. You are here with EgoTech. Bye.